So you're running a business and you need to market whatever it is that you're doing. And it's easier today than ever before to get people's contact information online. I'll show you how to do that, but you got to be careful because if you send emails to everybody and anybody, you'll be marked as spam. And the consequences of being marked as spam are worse than ever before. It'll get to where you try to send an email and it never even reaches the intended recipient. If even 1 out of 1,000 people mark you as spam, that's the consequence. So instead, what I'll teach you here is how to use AI to research people and reach out to the right people in the right way. So we'll go through some background on what's changing in the world of email as a result of AI. We'll go through some useful tools that help you find potential client information. And then we'll roll up our sleeves and build a custom AI tool together that researches people online to see whether and how you should reach out to them and guides your actual outreach. So it should be pretty helpful. It'll save you a ton of time. It'll increase conversion rates drastically on people that you now know to reach out to who you didn't before. And it'll dodge the horrible pitfalls of being labeled as spam. So hope to see you in the workshop.